A phlebotomist is collecting a PT-INR and a CBC. There is no blood culture ordered. Which tube is drawn first? Is the correct answer A, lavender top EDTA, or B, light blue top sodium citrate, or C, red top no additive, or D, yellow top SPS? The correct answer is B, light blue top sodium citrate. Without a blood culture bottle to act as the discard that clears tissue thromboplastin from the needle, a plain red tube or a discard tube must be drawn first, unless the light blue is the only tube, in which case a discard tube is used. When drawing a light blue with other tubes and no blood culture, the light blue still comes first among additives. This nuance trips up thousands of exam candidates.